Hi, this is Raufilter and customer Albert Bruwer from South Africa. Yeah, filter ready, 10 kuba for 1 hour. Yes, second version. And now we check filter system before send to customer. Yeah, open lid. Yeah, UV light install. Stainless steel nozzle. Yes, 3 pipe inside. 1 pipe go out. Now open control box and check system. Yes, first must open timer. Yeah, like this. 15 seconds he work and 30 minutes he stop and work circulate. Open stop. Yeah, when open timer work motor reductor like now you see and work pump. Pump need connect like this. This or pump connect or solenoid. Yeah, like this. Okay, pump when connection, when system open, pump work together with all system. Yeah, and clean mesh. Yeah. Okay. Next timer work. Next this is float switch. When he activate, all system activate. Activate pump and motor reductor like now. How long time he work? You can regulate here. Little bit open. And now check again. When water level come to this place, he activate flow switch and all system activate like this. High pressure, clean mesh, everything dirty. Come to trade ray like this place and go out like here. Okay, yeah, this work. Now check again. Yeah, when you connect, be careful, this 212 volt. Need to be careful connection. Yeah, okay, and now manual testing. Turn left, controller just motor reductor work. Turn right, this motor reductor with pump. Yes, with this together. Yeah, this for service, service mode together. This service and this service. Important, he must stay every time by middle. Like this. Middle, this work automatical, float switch and timer. Yeah, like this work here and timer. Yeah. Okay. This connection, full body, and this connect. Yeah. Okay, everything ready to send to customer. Yeah. Now we put in the box and send to customer. Yeah. If you have some question, you can ask and I help. Okay, thank you.